Hello and welcome to Q Rangers. My name is James and I'm joined with my good friend, QBot.
Hello everyone.
We are so excited to be teaching you today. Come on, let's go. Follow us to the classroom. In this lesson, we will be taking you through the steps to make your sprite say something using a speech bubble.
First, you want to start your project by adding a sprite and a backdrop. Once you've added your sprite, make sure you click on the Sprites pane. Now it's ready to receive its code.
You're going to start by adding an events block. These blocks will tell your code when to run. Click on the events in the blocks palette and drag a when green flag click block onto your code area.
Now, when you click the green flag here, whatever code you add underneath will run. Next, go to the looks category. These blocks change the appearance of your sprite.
What should we make our sprite say, QBot?
Why don't we just make our sprite say hello? Grab the Say Hello for 2 seconds block and snap it right underneath when the green flag is clicked in your code area. This block has 2 inputs. The first input is for what will be displayed in the speech bubble, and right now the default is hello. The second input here is for the number of seconds that the speech bubble will show on the stage, and right now it's for 2 seconds.
If you want to change what your sprite says, just change the inputs.
Well, I have a limited knowledge on bears, but I believe they can be quite mean. So I think we should change hello to grrr. I want the bear to say that for 3 seconds.
But I want the bear to say more than just grr, so I'm going to add another say hello for 2 seconds block right underneath. I'll have him say, have you seen my honey? Since this is a little bit longer, we're going to have him say it for 3 seconds.
Let's test our code by clicking the green flag and watch our script run.
Wow, great! We're all done. Don't forget, you can try this yourself at home. I can't wait to see what you'll make your sprite say. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.
Don't forget to practice at home.
Bye-bye!